Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to turn any video into slow motion on your Samsung Galaxy S25. First, open the gallery and open the video that you want to turn into the slow motion. So here I have the sample video, the 3 seconds in total. And now if you want to quickly grab some part of this video and turn it into the slow motion, start playing it, and then at some point start holding your finger on the screen, and this will automatically apply the slow motion effect. And once you release your finger, you'll be able to save your video as a slow motion clip by tapping save slow mo clip in the top left corner of the screen. Actually, let me try once again, as I didn't quite catch it. So like this, and then tap right here, and the new slow motion video will be generated on your smartphone. Now additionally, if you want to save entire video as a slow-mo format, you're gonna have to tap the pencil or the edit icon at the bottom bar of the gallery application, then tap the speedometer effect in the scissors tab, and here select the speed, so you can either use half the speed or 1/4 of the speed. I actually want to select 1/4. So let me revert the changes, and now select the part of the video that you want to slow-mo and tap save. Then confirm. Wait until the new slow motion video is saved on your smartphone. Okay, and now we can watch the slow-mo version of the original video, which is 15 seconds in length, so 5 times as much as the original one, or at 5 times as long as the original one. And so that's basically how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.